And this is problem number 11. Let us solve it. Right. Nitu did 1/2 of the work yesterday. Right. Nitu. Yesterday she did, right, half. Right. Today she did 1/3. Right. How much work will she have to do tomorrow to complete the work? Tomorrow, how much she is supposed to do? Right. What we need to do? We need to add this, right, and subtract with 1. Why 1? See, let us consider work. Let me consider it as 1, right? Now, yesterday. So, let me add this. Yesterday she did 1/2 and today she did 1/3. Add this. So, 3 and 2 is co-prime. So, that's what we need to do. So, 3 2s are 6 is going to be the LCM. 2 3s are 3 1s are 3 plus 3 2s are 2 1s are 2. So, which is going to be 5/6. She completes yesterday and today 5/6 of her work. Now, tomorrow, how much she is supposed to do? So, what to do that? Subtract 5/6 with 1, that is minus 5/6. So, 1 is going to be the work, 1 work, right? So, now there is no denominator, so I will consider it as a 1. Take a LCM for 6 and 1, which is going to be 6 only, right? So, 1 6 are, right, 6 1s are, that is 6, minus 6 1s are, 1 into 5 is 5, right, which is going to be 1/6. So, she is supposed to do, that is going to be 1/6 of work tomorrow, so that she can complete her work, right? 1/6 is the right answer.